Hello, my good viewers, my good customers. Hope you're doing great. You're blessed this evening. I want us to teach you about cowpeas farming or kunde farming. This is a leguminous crop that grows very fast. You can use it to eat the leaves, or you can use the pond as a cereals. But here, the main reason we have grown this is to use it as vegetables. The leaves are very sweet and very good vegetable for eating ugali, or mainly in our country we use it for ugali. Now, the secret on this crop, or the beauty about this crop, is that it takes just 5 to 6 weeks to mature. The cost of production of this is very low because the seeds are very affordable for beginners, and there are no major pests, major disease that can slow its growth. So here you plant the seeds, and after 4 or 5 days the seeds have already germinated. Then you water it a lot, and the first week you do your foliar spray. Like this one, you have not done any basal fertilizers. We have just survived by foliar spray, and the major one is the nitrogen and a little bit of phosphorus for the development of roots. It's a leguminous crop, so it's able to fix nitrogen in the soil, and that's why I recommend it very, very well. So you plant it for 6 weeks and you're good to go. But now you have to be very careful when it is during the cold season, because of the blight. It get affected by the cold season. The blight disease comes very fast, and also another thing that affects it are aphid, are the major pests that attack this thing. Aphids, they are usually the major pest here, and sometimes the cutworms. But those ones you can easily manage by use of very little chemicals for the control of those two pests. But up to now, our crop at week 5, you can be able to sell it. We want it to have more, to become more leafy, to develop. Like this one, we need it to develop more leaves, because we usually sell them by kilos or by bunches, and that's how you make more money within 5 weeks. So young farmers, don't shy off of starting up such kind of a project. For this one, I propagated 15 kilos of cowpeas, and from the 15 kilos, within 5 weeks, I know I can get good money out of it. So keep learning, subscribe, and let us grow together.